Hi, this is Akash, and I'll today show you how to do the latest version of Tailscale on your QNAP NAS. QNAP does have an official version as well, but we don't use it for the simple reason that this is version 1.4, which came out somewhere in 2023. We are in 2026, which means this is already 3 years behind. It would have missed many security patches and things like those. You will use the latest version, which is 1.9 currently. So let's close this. We are going to use Docker Compose. One thing before that we have done is in file station, we have created a folder called containers data. All right. Within this containers data, there will be a directory called config. Within the config directory, there will be a directory called tailscale, which will automatically be created, and all the configuration will be kept there. Okay. So you just have to make sure that containers data directory exists. Let's go to container station. Click on application. Click on create the application, and we'll create the application for Tailscale. Now, this is the compose file that I used. The link is there with which you can copy paste. Let me quickly explain to you what it is. We are using the official image Tailscale, the latest version, whatever the latest version might be. Always make sure that the image that is being used in the tutorial is either the official image or a very well reputed image, because if this image is compromised, then your system security could be compromised. This is important. Container name, restart policy, network mode will use host, which means there is no port to forward at all. We will add two capacities to this. Both of these will give it access to some system processes so that it can work properly. We'll also give it access to the system tunnel device, which will be mounted in. And this is the volume I was telling you. Containers data. The path of containers data is /share /containers data. Within that folder, config folder already exists. If it doesn't exist, it will be created, and tailscale will be created, which will be mounted to where lib tailscale. Where lib tailscale has been stated as the state directory in environment, which means that this is where our system state will be saved. This is where we have to give our authority key. So for the auth key, you go to your dashboard, go to settings, go to keys, and create a key. This will only be shown to you once, so you can copy this. Once you close it, you cannot see that key again. And this is the key. Just make sure that there is no space between is equal to and the key, and click on create. All right, let's wait for it to run. Tailscale is running. When you go to the container, you will see that one container with the name of Tailscale D has been created. And if you look at the logs, you can see that health is no connection warning. Everything is okay. Let's go back to machines and see whether it is there. TVS72XT is showing there. This is connected. All right. Now you're connected to your tailnet. That's all that you need to do. You can stop here if you only want to connect your device. However, if you want to make it an exit node, or if you want to make it a hub from where you can route your subnet, then you will have to run one more command. All right. So with exit node, of course, you know what happens is that this QNAP will be used as the exit node. So all the data, every client that is connected to your tailnet will send the data through this device. So if you access any website, that website will see that the request coming from this QNAP's IP address. Okay, that's the exit node. Subnet routing means that any device that is connected to the same network as your QNAP is connected, you will be able to access that device. For example, let's say you have a router or you have a printer. Now, router and printer does not have Tailscale client, right? And you want to access your router from a machine that is connected to your tailnet, or you want to print to your printer. If we tell QNAP to start routing to our subnet, then you will send the request to QNAP, and QNAP will then print to your printer. All right. So this will behave more like OpenVPN in that case. Let's see how to do that. Just one command to run. Go to QNAP, go to the containers, Tailscale D container, attach a terminal, and execute. Okay, bin sh is what we have to execute it, and the command we have to run is this. And let me just show this to you. Zoom. All right, Tailscale up, advertise exit node. This is going to advertise, then QNAP is going to advertise itself as the exit node to others. advertise routes. This is going to advertise the subnet routes, accept routes from other machines, and accept DNS as well. All right. So the only change I need to make is that I have to use in advertise route. I have to use my own subnet that I use. So my QNAP is on 10.30.30.024, and I click OK. This is done. Once I do that, and when you go back, you will see that now you have got two stickers here, subnets and exit node. Okay, but there is an exclamation mark because we have to authorize these. Now click on edit route settings. One route is advertised but not approved. You have to approve it. So click on it and approve it. Exit node, whether you want to use it as exit node or not, use as exit node and save. Now that exclamation mark is gone, which means that this is approved. That's all. You have successfully done everything on your QNAP. If you have any questions or any comments, then feel free to ask them in the comment box, and I always reply. Thank you.